Hello friends, welcome back to the many video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friends we are going to talk about guys Google Pixel phone setting guys, and today friends I am going to show you guys Google phone Bluetooth full setting. So how to use Bluetooth, how to pair Bluetooth device on Google phone. Today friends I am going to show you in this video guys. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys, click the bell icon, like the video guys. So friends, open your phone setting to on guys Google phone Bluetooth setting. So when how to on Bluetooth setting, friends, you can say first network setting. So friends, you can use your Wi-Fi setting, hotspot setting from here. So friends, we'll click on second option, connected device setting. So friends, you can see Bluetooth setting, pair new device guys, tap here. So friends, you can see Bluetooth setting will on, and friends, you want to pair any device. So friends, you can pair from here. So guys, when you will on your Bluetooth, so when you will on guys your Bluetooth speaker and guys any Bluetooth device, so friends, you can see here is Bluetooth name, device name, and guys you can pair from here. And friends, you can see your Bluetooth device name, your Google Pixel Bluetooth device name guys, you can check. And friends, you want to rename your Bluetooth device name, so you can rename. So guys, I will rename into Google Mobile, and guys I will click on rename, tap here. So guys, you can see Bluetooth device will rename also. So friends, you want to pair any Bluetooth device. So guys, my Bluetooth speaker is off because guys I don't have battery on my Bluetooth speaker, but guys you can see your Bluetooth speaker device name here, and guys you can pair from here guys. So I hope friends you understood how to on and use guys Bluetooth setting or Google phone guys. And friends, you can pair from here also guys, search bar guys, search here guys Bluetooth setting. Friends, you can see Bluetooth setting. So guys, Bluetooth setting is on. Friends, you want to off, so you can off from here and you can on from here. Friends, you can see pair new device. So friends, you want to pair new device, so friends you can pair. And friends, save device guys you have. So friends, you can check your save device here, and friends, you can pair from here guys direct. So like that guys, we can use guys Bluetooth setting on Google phone. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video, bye guys.